Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I like a good gin and tonic. Having a quality tonic to mix with is key to having a good gin and tonic. So I want to show you this one. This is the Q Spectacular Tonic, and this is a really tasty option when it comes to your mixers. It has a really nice balance of sweetness and that nice bitterness that you like from the quinine, and overall it has just a really nice flavor to it. I also like that these are a small 7.5 ounce can, because this is perfect if you're just making one drink. You don't have to open a large container and then you're wasting it and losing out on your carbonation. So I love that these are the perfect single serving size, and I think they're just right for making one drink. I also appreciate that this is sweetened with organic agave, and it adds a really nice flavor to it as well, and nothing artificial. So if you're looking for a quality tonic for your next G&T, then definitely check out the Q Spectacular Tonic. That's my point of view.